Hi, and welcome to Things You Want to Know. Hi, I want to talk to you today about cleaning a ceramic Dutch oven. I use mine several times a week, and I just love cooking in it. But as you can see, it's pretty well stained. I have cleaned out all of the cooked on food as best I can just by scrubbing it and washing it as I generally would. But today I'm going to try something a little bit different and see if that can get it out a little bit better. What I'm going to do is use a combination of bleach and water, and I'm going to first put in about, this is a 6-quart pot. I'm going to start with about a 1/4 cup of bleach and just pour it right in. And then I am going to go over here and fill it with water. Okay, my pot is not stained all the way up, but if it were, I would bring it all the way to the top. In this case, mine is just around the bottom, about a third of the cover of the Dutch oven. So, as I said, with the bleach and the water, I'm going to put a top on this, leave it sitting on the stove overnight, and then I will come back and show you what that looks like tomorrow morning. Thank you. Good morning. It's been overnight since I put the Clorox water mixture in my ceramic Dutch oven. So I want to show you, we'll take a look together at whether or not it has cleaned the dish. So I'm going to take, here we go. I'm going to dump the water out. Give it a little rinse. And wow, that really did a great job compared to what it was yesterday. It's amazingly clean. I'll be putting up a side-by-side photo so that you can see the difference, but I'm actually quite happy with it. It removed quite a bit of the stain, and I think I'll be using that in the future. You can see it a little better. Still some staining there, but nothing like it was before. Do a mixture of Clorox bleach and water, leave it sit overnight or at least 12 hours, and you'll have a clean pan again. Thank you for watching.